We are here at EMO 2019 and I'm currently on the Hoffmann Group stand. Now, Christian, tell me what products you're exhibiting this year.
So of course we are exhibiting all the products we show in the catalog, from cutting tools over to workbenches, measurement equipment, the PSA program we have, the personal protection program.
So I'm looking forward to see the digitalisation booth. Now, in regards to your what you would call physical products, cutting tools, vices, do you have any new products that you're exhibiting here today?
Yeah, of course. We have, for example, in the clamping tools, workpiece clamping, we have the X-Trick. It's a new centric clamping system. We show here. Then we have in the turning area, we have the MCD tools, monocrystalline diamond, which is for the turning of aluminium, for example, with a very high precision surfaces. These are, for example, one of the two highlights of the EMO this year.
What advantage do you have as a company when you can supply the work holding, but also the cutting tools as well?
Yeah, we have a more broader range. We are specialists for cutting tools, we are specialists for clamping the tools, clamping the workpiece, and not to forget, we are able to offer the measurement solution as well, which is a huge advantage.
So Christian, now we're on the other part of your stand and I can see what you mean about it being segregated from the physical products, if you like. Now, this is quite unique. I've not seen anything like this before. Tell me, start with station one. What's occurring here?
Okay, when we see, we're talking now about tool management, which is an RFID-based system where you can, to say it simple, you know where your tool is. Doesn't matter if it's in the stock, doesn't matter if it's in the presetting area, inside the machine, every time you know where is my tools or where are my tools. And so we start with station one, which is the work planning. There we use from the 360-degree tooling concept, we use, for example, Tool Scout, or also Tool Concept. These are two, let's say, parts of our concept, digital wise. Then we have station two, this is the tool issuing. There we take the tools out of the stock, either singular, that means we have to assemble them first, or they are already completed. Then we walk around to station number 3, which is the presetting station. Then we go in the machine. The machine will know where the tool is through the RFID code, and after that we go to station number 5, where we do the polishing or whatever is necessary to do afterwards. And station number 6, that's what I meant before, we are also able to offer the measurement solution, complete from A to Z, from everywhere, looking at the workpiece, surface, quality, whatever. So, the customers are quite interested, and even when they see it the first time, a lot of them wants to know what's behind, and so we show them on the walk around what we can offer right now.
Christian, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you very much.